the world feels calm. You're standing outside, feeling the warmth of the sun, the gentle breeze on your skin. Birds glide through the sky, waves roll steadily in the ocean, and everything seems normal. But in reality, you are moving at an incredible speed. Right now, every single person, every object, every drop of water on Earth is traveling at roughly 1,670 kilometers per hour, 1,037 miles per hour at the equator. This is because Earth rotates on its axis, completing one full spin every 24 hours. You don't feel this motion because everything around you, including the air, moves with it. Now imagine that in an instant, the Earth suddenly stops spinning, but only for 5 seconds. You wouldn't even have time to think before the chaos unfolds. Your body was moving at over 1,000 miles per hour, and suddenly, the ground beneath you stops. But inertia, Newton's first law of motion, says that objects in motion stay in motion unless acted upon by an external force. This means everything not physically attached to the Earth's surface continues moving at full speed. Buildings crumble as people, vehicles, and loose objects are hurled forward like bullets. A parked car doesn't just roll forward, it slams into walls with the force of an explosion. People standing on the street are thrown hundreds of meters, hitting trees, poles, or other buildings with deadly force. Even air molecules keep moving, creating winds that now roar at supersonic speeds, strong enough to strip paint off walls, shatter glass, and flatten entire cities. But the most terrifying impact happens with water. The oceans, like everything else, were moving with the Earth's rotation. The moment the planet stops, trillions of gallons of water surge forward. Gigantic tsunamis, bigger than any seen before, sweep across continents. Coastlines disappear instantly as seawater crashes miles inland. Rivers overflow, changing direction, and entire islands vanish beneath walls of water. The physics is simple. The water, still moving at its original velocity, now has nothing to hold it back. In the sky, chaos unfolds differently. Birds, caught mid-flight, are suddenly tossed through the air by hurricane-force winds. Airplanes, once stable in the moving atmosphere, are now flying in air that has suddenly stopped moving with them. Some plummet instantly, unable to maintain lift. Others are slammed by wind shear so intense that wings are torn apart mid-flight. For animals, the disaster is no different. Large land animals like elephants, lions, and bears are thrown like rag dolls. Fish, torn from their habitats by rushing ocean currents, are flung out of the water and scattered across land. Underground creatures, such as moles and insects, feel the earth shake as their burrows collapse under the stress of shifting tectonic plates. Then, after 5 seconds, the earth starts spinning again, but the damage is already done. The sudden reacceleration sends new shockwaves through the crust. Earthquakes rupture the ground, volcanic eruptions explode with unimaginable force, and tsunamis rebound in all directions. The air, now rapidly catching up with the planet's rotation, creates new violent storms. Dust, smoke, and ash fill the sky, blocking out the sun. Within minutes, the world is left in ruins. Survivors, if any, find themselves in a landscape that is completely unrecognizable. Water bodies have shifted, cities have collapsed, entire regions have been erased. The balance of life on Earth has been shattered, all because of a 5-second pause in the planet's spin. But could this really happen? Not naturally. The forces required to stop Earth's spin are beyond anything we can imagine. However, a massive asteroid strike at just the right angle, a powerful cosmic force, or an unknown phenomenon could theoretically disrupt the planet's rotation. While extremely unlikely, physics tells us that if it ever did happen, the results would be apocalyptic. For now we are safe. The Earth keeps spinning, holding everything together. But what if one day it didn't? If this video blew your mind, Don't forget to like and subscribe to KnowledgeLab for more mind-bending science and physics mysteries, because the universe is full of surprises.